We will look upon that what is the constants and the variables. Coming to the constant, if you don't want to change the value throughout the execution of this program, just you can use the const keyword. This is the const is the reserved keyword that we are going to be using. Const int a is equal to 5. So this value it's remain the same through entire the program is going to be executing. Coming to the variables. Variables are the containers to store the data values. These are the syntax that we are gonna declare the variables according like this. First you need to be declare the data type, and after that you can declare the identifier. Just you can use this one char ch and int x comma y and the string name that we are going to be declaring the variables according like this. Just you can putting the data into the variables by using the equal symbols. Just we are going to be using that, we can call it as an assignment statements. These are the assignment statement that you are going to be putting the value into the variables by using equals to. Variable is equal to expression. You are going to be insertion the value to the variable by using to equals operator. So here are the some of the few examples that you can observe what the assignment statement is going to be do, how the variable has been declared here. Just we declared here the variables like int num1 num2. These are the variables. Before the variables we need to define the which data type that we are going to be declaring over here. One is double scale and char force and string start string str there. These are the things that we are going to be using how to declare the variable. And then after that we are going to be assign the values to the variables. Num1 is equal to 4, num2 is equal to 4 into 5 minus 11. How we are going to be assigning these statements according to that. For this example, just from this ppt, just you got to know. So you can also initialize the variables according like this. Int first is equal to 13 and second is equal to 10. If you want to initialize the variables like 2 or 3 according like that, just you need to be use comma. So if you want to use the string data type, string and char is something different. If you want to use only one word, then we can call it as a string. If we can call it as a character. And if you want to use the string like name or otherwise city name or your village name like that, you can use the string data type, that is a string, and you need to be mentioned the header file as well, hash include string. And then you can also provide the identifier. We are going to be using self documentation as well. If you want to provide a very good name according to like annual scale, so for that annual scale you are going to be providing without space, it's not possible. So for naming convention you are going to be performing in a very good manner, so you can use underscore character as well, centimeters underscore per underscore inch, then it's going to be very good. If you can't use the identifier naming convention, then it's going to be